Hi everyone, welcome back to your history class. We're doing the chapter 1. The name of the chapter is What is History? In last class, we studied about 3 types of sources of history. The first one is material source, written source, oral source. Now what were these sources? Let's revise again. Material sources are basically facts, evidences or things from the past that we can see or touch. Okay, these are objects or things from the past that we can see or touch. ये ऐसी चीजें जो पुराने जमाने से जो हम छू सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं. For example, coins. Now coming to written source. Written source are things from the past that we can read, that were handwritten. ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो पुराने जमाने में लिखी गई थी and we can read them. For example, books and manuscripts. Coming to the third type of sources of history, oral source. Now these are something that was told. ये बोला गया था या गाया गया था. They were either told or sung. For example, you see here people are sitting in a crowd and someone is sharing a story. So something like a video or something like a voice recording या कोई भी चीज जो बोला या गाया गया है, that is an oral source, right? So these are the 3 types of sources of history that we learned. We also learned about facts and opinion. A fact is something that can be proven true for everyone. ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो हर चीज के लिए सही है. Okay, for example, sky is blue. We can always prove that sky is blue. Opinion, what is opinion? An opinion is someone's thoughts and feelings. ये किसी की सोच या feelings है. Of course, opinion is not true for everyone. ये सबके लिए true नहीं है. For example, cats are cuter than dogs. This is just my opinion. Someone can have a different opinion. Opinions can also change, but facts don't change. Okay. We also understood when reading history, should we look at facts or opinions to understand the truth? And we decided that we should look at facts because facts will never change, but opinion can change, right? So these are the things that we already know and we've already done. For today's class, let's read a story to understand the importance of learning history. Okay, we're going to read a story now. India wasn't always an independent country. Okay, full stop. So I'm going to stop and think. India wasn't. India नहीं था always. हमेशा क्या? Independent country. Meaning India को हमेशा से आजादी नहीं मिली हुई थी. It used to be ruled by the British. इंडिया को कौन रूल करता था पहले? ब्रिटिश, राइट? देयर वर पीपल, ब्रिटिश पीपल हु यूज्ड टू रूल इंडिया, जो इंडिया पे अपना राज चलाते थे. क्वेश्चन, हैव यू एवर फॉट बैक against a rule you thought wasn't fair? Okay, now we're going to think about our life and think कि क्या कभी हमारे लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि we feel that this law is unfair, ये rule जो है unfair है, and I'm going to talk about it, I'm going to fight against it. Okay, well, so did people in India when they wanted India to be an independent country. So Indian people in India fought. They fought against British because they wanted India to be an independent country. वो चाहते थे कि इंडिया को आजादी मिले, इसीलिए उन्होंने लड़ाई की. किससे लड़ाई की? With British people. Before 1947, so India got independence on 15th of August 1947. That's why we celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. But before that, before 15th August 1947, India was ruled by the British Empire. India को कौन rule करता था? British Empire. British rulers thought, उन्होंने सोचा, Indian people were not equal to white people. किसने सोचा? ब्रिटिश लोगों ने सोचा. क्या सोचा? इंडियन पीपल वर नॉट इक्वल टू व्हाइट पीपल. वो इंडियन पीपल को छोटा समझते थे और व्हाइट पीपल को ऊपर समझते थे. नाउ दीस ब्रिटिश पीपल, दे हैव व्हाइट स्किन कलर, राइट? एंड इंडियंस डोंट हैव व्हाइट स्किन कलर, वी हैव ब्राउन स्किन कलर. सो इसी वजह से बेस्ड ऑन हाउ दे लुक्ड, वो इंडियंस को छोटा समझते थे. ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स नॉट ट्रू एट ऑल, एंड इंडियन पीपल गॉट एंग्री एट बीइंग treated so badly. Of course, Indian people felt bad because they were not treated equally, and they felt that it was not true कि वो equal नहीं थे just because of the skin color. A lot of Indians thought, बहुत Indians ने सोचा that the only answer was to become independent. Independent means आजाद. from the British. Okay, so Indians ने मिलके सोचा कि there's only one solution that we can do, and that is to become independent from the British, ताकि हम आजाद हो जाए किससे, British राज से. This was the start of Indian independence movement. So जो इंडिया में independence मिली on 15th of August 1947, this was the start when people of India realized that British people are not treating us equally and we need to do something about it. That's when the Indian independence movement started. Okay. The British came up with a law. Okay. So the British people, what are they doing now? They're coming up with a law that made Indians angry. उन British लोगों ने एक law लाया जिससे इंडियंस लोग बहुत गुस्सा हो गए. What was the law? They did not allow Indian newspapers to publish news. उन्होंने ब्रिटिश लोगों ने क्या रूल किया कि अब से इंडिया में जो भी जितने भी न्यूज़पेपर्स है वो न्यूज़ नहीं छाप सकते. They can't publish news and they could arrest anyone without giving a reason. और ये भी एक रूल बन गया कि ब्रिटिश चाहे किसी को भी कभी भी अरेस्ट कर सकते हैं और उन्हें रीजन देने की भी कोई जरूरत नहीं. नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट, इज दिस अ फेयर लॉ? कोई कभी भी किसी को भी अरेस्ट कर सकता है, रीजन भी नहीं दिया. नाउ इंडियन पीपल आर नॉट इवन अलाउड टू हैव देयर ओन न्यूज़पेपर. So think about it. Okay, we're going to think about two thinking questions now. Question number 1, how would you feel if we were still ruled by the British and had to follow this law? आप सोचो कि आपको कैसा महसूस होता, आपको कैसा फील होता अगर आज भी, if still today British people ruled India, अगर आज भी ब्रिटिश लोग इंडिया को रूल करते and all of us had to follow this law. Question number 2 is, do you think this law was fair? क्या आपको लगता है ये law fair था? Why or why not? Okay, I want you to write down your answer in your notebook, take a picture and share it with Didi. All right, take some time, pause this video, write your feelings, write whatever you want to write. अगर आपको draw भी करना तो आप draw भी कर सकते हो, but do it right now. Take a picture and send it to Didi. Moving on, Indians were angry with this law. Of course, anybody would be feeling angry, right? So Indians also felt very angry. So over 5,000 people went to Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. Okay, so Indians were feeling very angry कि ये कैसा law ला दिया कि कोई भी कभी भी arrest कर सकता है. We can't even publish our own news. So more than 5,000 people went to this Bagh, went to this garden, a big circular garden called Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. Okay, Punjab में एक garden है, it's a big garden called Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, so more than 5,000 Indians went to this garden. Why? Because they wanted to discuss कि इसको क्या करना है, because this is an unfair law, right? So they gathered there, वो वहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए to discuss what they wanted to do. When they were discussing this problem, जब वो discuss कर रहे थे ये problem, the British officials came and closed the garden door. जब सारे इंडियंस ये सब चीजों पे चर्चा कर रहे थे और बातें कर रहे थे, डिस्कस कर रहे थे, ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल्स, के लोग, ब्रिटिशर्स आ गए वहां पे और उन्होंने गार्डन का दरवाजा बंद कर दिया ताकि कोई भी वहां से ना निकल सकते. So that no one could get out of the garden, so that no one could leave the meeting. They started shooting at the people in the meeting. British people ने गोलियां चलाना चालू कर दी. You see this picture? They're shooting Indians बिना मतलब के, for no reason at all. They started shooting guns at the people. Over 1,000 people died. 1,000 से भी ज्यादा लोग मारे गए वहां पे, and 2,000 were injured. और 2,000 लोग को चोटें लगी थी. For what? Because वो सिर्फ गार्डन में इकट्ठा हुए थे बातचीत करने के लिए, and British people shot them. They started shooting. गोलियां चलाई उनपे, 1,000 से भी ज्यादा लोग मारे गए, 2,000 लोग इंजर हो गए. They got hurt just because they were discussing something that they felt was unfair. Even women and children were shot. औरतों और छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी वहां पे मारे गए थे. It was a big tragedy. Tragedy meaning something that is really, really sad, a very sad event. ये बहुत ही बड़ा sad event था. सब बहुत ही खराब चीज थी इंडिया के लिए, because for no reason at all people were shot in Jallianwala Bagh just because they were discussing something. वो कुछ किए भी नहीं थे, वो सिर्फ बातचीत कर रहे थे और इस वजह से उन्हें मार दिया गया. No one was violent. कोई भी इंडियन वहां पे violent नहीं था. Violent meaning लड़ नहीं रहा था. वहां पे कोई लड़ नहीं रहा था. No one was violent in the meeting, but they were still killed. वो सिर्फ वहां पे बातचीत कर रहे थे, but still they were shot and they were killed just because they were discussing something that they felt was unfair. It was a very, very sad day for India. We're going to think about a few questions now. Question number A. How would you feel? आपको कैसा लगेगा if this incident, अगर ये जो घटना हुई थी, incident meaning घटना, happened today, and why? आपको कैसा लगेगा? How would you feel if this incident, ये जो घटना हुई थी, if this event happened today, ये जालियनवाला बाग में जो लोगों को मारा गया for no reason at all by British people, how would you feel if this happened today and why? Okay, so write this answer. Question number B. What have we learned from this incident? आपको क्या, आपने क्या सीखा इस incident से? Okay, so you're thinking about these two questions and you're writing in your notebook. Okay, you can write, you can draw, you can write words. आपको जो मन कर रहा है आप लिखो, but please share it with Didi. Okay, now let's look at why is learning history important. History is important so that we can learn from events in the past. History इसलिए important है ताकि हम पुराने जमाने में जो events हुए, जो घटनाएं हुई है, वहां उनसे सीख सके and make our present and future better. ताकि हम उन चीजों से सीखें और अपना present और अपना future better कर सके, अच्छा कर सकते. Please write this down in your notebook because this is very, very important for us to know कि हम history सीख क्यों रहे. Why are we learning it? So that we can learn from our mistakes from the past. We can learn from the events in the past. जो भी पुराने जमाने में जो भी चीजें हुई है वहां से हम सीखे और हम अपना आज और अपना कल बेहतर बना सके. All right. With that, we come to the end of this chapter. Please ask any questions to Didi if you have. Write these thinking questions in your notebook and send a picture to Didi. And after this, you are now going to get a worksheet. All right. Okay. Bye-bye.